Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. This video is part of a collab hosted by Small Town 6. I will have her channel linked down below, along with a playlist for more content creators bringing you holiday baking with kids or grandkids, nephews, nieces, dogs, friends, kids, family, etc. So there's going to be a lot of baking in the playlist and over at Small Town 6's channel. So I'm going to be baking with my kids. We're actually not baking, but it's any treats. So anything in the kitchen. And we are creating a chocolate, basically a chocolate bar. So we melted chocolate in the oven and then threw in Rice Krispies and some special Christmas chocolate and M&Ms and marshmallows, and then put it into the fridge to harden. And it turned out so good. It's basically like a homemade chocolate bar, and you want to melt the chocolate at the lowest temperature while it's warming up, and not for long. I think we only left it in there for 5 minutes, but you want to be checking it and then spread it out and then throw in your ingredients. So I'm going to put on some music now as you watch the rest of the process. So I let this chill in the fridge with saran wrap on it for a couple hours and then broke it up into pieces. It was so hard to break it up into pieces, but it tasted so good. I'm sampling it before the kids got to. And this honestly did not take a lot of effort. It was hassle-free with the kids. We could just throw all the ingredients on there once the chocolate was melted. And I love that stress-free baking or treats when you are baking with kids. Definitely a nice thing. So you're going to see the finished product here and then see the kids sampling it as well. You could definitely cut it up nicer, but I chose to just rip it apart. So that is all for today's video. I'm going to close up this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, book hauls, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around. We would love to have you join us here on our YouTube channel. And turn on your notifications because I am doing Vlogmas, so I will be back with another video tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 12. So here are the kids sampling it, and they thought it was so good. The marshmallows in it and the Rice Krispies give you that crunch and that sweetness, and it wasn't too sweet, but definitely fun to add your own ingredients to a chocolate bar. I wouldn't do this all the time because it is a lot of sugar, but this was definitely a fun experiment and something I would do in the future. That is all for today's video, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Definitely don't forget to check out Small Town 6's channel and the playlist for more baking inspiration, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.